Happy International Burger Day! Yes, that's right, Burger Day. Actually, I only just found out about this, I think 2 days ago when Lauren told me about it. I'd never heard of it before, but any excuse to eat a burger. And where better place to start than McDonald's. I don't know why I'm starting with McDonald's as the first burger to try, but I guess because I haven't had one for quite a while and I'm just really feeling the urge to have one. They've also, well, we're in Singapore's lockdown right now, and McDonald's is actually shut for the first 4 or 6 weeks of the lockdown. They've just reopened, so quite looking forward to it, to be honest. Hello. International Hamburger Day, I think, actually started as National Burger Day in America. And I believe it was, I don't know what year it was started in or by who, but little fun fact, did you know that hamburgers actually started or were invented in Hamburg, Germany? Because I didn't know that. So the hamburger initially started as just the leftovers of premium cuts of beef that were ground up and sold on the cheap. Obviously in today's world, the premium ground beef is what makes a good burger. Unless of course you're going to where I'm going right now. But I don't know what it is, there's something very satisfying about a McDonald's burger. I mean, I'm talking about here in Asia. I actually think they're really good in Singapore specifically. From the UK, I haven't had a burger in over 12 years now, but I don't remember them being very good at all. They were always dry, they were always kind of quite stale, probably been sitting on the counter for far too long, whereas over here, it feels like they're made fresh to order. They just taste so good, and the fries over here are really good as well. I'm quite excited. I don't know what I'm gonna get. My typical go-to burger at McDonald's would be a quarter pounder with cheese. But strangely in Singapore, they don't serve that over here, so it might have to be a Big Mac. The one thing they do have is a McSpicy. Now, I don't know if that's cheating because it's not technically a hamburger, but seeing as it's Hamburger Day, I think I might get it. So unfortunately, because it's still lockdown, I can't actually enjoy the meal inside, so I have to take it away. Hopefully the chips don't get too soggy in that time, but what can you do? Thank you. It's Milo, got to be done in Asia. I don't know what it is about Asia, why they don't sell the quarter pounder with cheese. Is it just Asia or Singapore, or do they not sell it anywhere else? I'm quite perplexed and disappointed. But so I went for the Angus cheeseburger, supposedly better quality beef, and also a McSpicy because you have to. Probably one of the best chicken burgers I've ever had. So I don't know what it is about McDonald's over here. I mean, it's obviously not the best quality, but it is definitely the king of fast food. And it's something in the sauce that makes a McDonald's taste so good. But I had to get it done. I had to get it out of the way. I haven't had one in a while. I'm not going to go into what makes a good burger right now, but maybe you'd like to let me know in the comments below what you think makes a good burger. So I've been here 11 years in Singapore, and I think over the last maybe 12 to 24 months, there's been an explosion in more gourmet craft burger type places that have opened up. You obviously have the likes of Shake Shack, Black Tap came here, Five Guys as well. There's a Wolf Burger, some burger joint from Korea. And actually within the vicinity of where I live, which is in Tanjung Pagar, quite central in the CBD of Singapore, I guess in the 2 kilometer radius, I can't even count how many burger joints there are. And I love a good burger, and I like eating burgers. I'm no burger connoisseur, but hey, why not try them all to find out which is the best burger in Singapore? If you already know or have an opinion, why don't you leave your comments down below? Ooh, no, spicy. So good. I'm just really excited to have a burger every now and again. And seeing as it's National Burger Day, International Burger Day, I thought I'd have 2. I'm going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.